Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. I am delving into DIY dog again to make Indie Pale Ale, a BrewDog recipe. There's the real thing, it's a clone, Indie Pale, let's go. So, got my water going on, I'm making a 27 litre batch, which means I start with 35 litres, and on you go. Okay, so, what do we do? There's my, still using that thermometer. So, here comes the grains. There are, it is 77.5% regular old pale malt, and then 7.5% each of wheat, caramel, and Munich. So, yeah, I guess that's a pretty pale ale-y kind of a combination there. So, there we go. That's going to mash there for an hour, and the mash temperature is somewhere here on this recipe. Mash at 64 degrees. So, I guess I'm mashing at exactly 64 degrees, definitely. Okay, so this is the recipe, and we've got, yeah, some things there and some whatnot, and I guess I'll point at it a bit, make it look like I'm considering things, and yep, 30 IBUs, that's very good. BrewDog are brilliant for releasing this thing. If you haven't heard of it, it's DIY Dog. They released all their recipes and they update it every year, so Google DIY Dog, and it's just great. Who does that? Anyway, the mash is done. That must have been an hour, so the grains are coming out, and the bag kind of looks like it's got a bum, and now the heat's going on, so I'll squeeze out the grains to get all the last little bits of stuff in there. So there we go. That'll come up to boil. And what are we doing? Okay, I'm getting my, this is Simcoe. It's bittering with Simcoe. So I'm bittering this up to 30 IBUs. And that's what the recipe says. And, oh, because my scales are so precise now, I know to take out exactly this many number of pellets. So I'm going to the nearest 0.1. Anyway, in it goes. 1 hour. Whatever, how many grams that is to get that up to 30 IBUs. And there goes my, oh, I've only got 15 minutes to go. Oh, there's a B. Goodbye, B. Stupid B. Hopefully he didn't drink much. Okay, the next addition, with only almost 0 minutes to go, is the Simcoe. No, I lied, it's Cascade, and it's 4 grams, which is that many pellets. And, yeah, 5 minutes to go. In it goes. Now, that's adjusted for no chill. It actually says to do that one at 10 minutes to go, but anyway, I'm now sanitizing my gear, so that's all nice and good. And now time's done. Thing goes off. Everybody's happy. There we go. Okay, so that's most of the brewing done. Now I'm going to try something different today. This is a combination of Simcoe and Mosaic to a total of 1.5 grams a litre roughly. Mostly Mosaic by a long shot. And I'm going to try cube hopping today, which is a new thing. So here I am. I've been boiling, thus sanitizing this little bag that you see. Got a knot tied in one end, tip in the hops, tie a knot in the other end, and get it into the, gently get in there, into the cube. Cube goes in, whirlpool time. This whirlpool hopefully makes all the stuff at the bottom form a nice little clump so that it's easier to come out, comes out nice and clean. And, yep, I'm taking a sample to measure it against, and, looks a little dark from memory. I've only had one of these before, but oh well, whatever. And, you know, it's not even my favourite BrewDog recipe or beer, but what it is a hop bomb, for want of a better word. So anyway, it makes it nice and cheap. Now I'm just squeezing the air out of the fermenter, and there we go. That's all good. So there it is. There's the fermenter. There's my sample. This is the Y yeast 1056, I think, American Ale or whatever. And here is the real thing. So there's my sample. Let's compare it. And actually, it's a little bit darker than I remember. The samples, my one's still a little bit darker again, but that's okay. Give it a bit of a taste. Yep. Oh, actually, that's better than I remember too. Yeah. It's like I said, it's not a hot bomb like most of their beers, and that's kind of what you. Oh, doing some social media. It's kind of what you expect. So yeah, it's a real drinkable one. Anyway, we're done. We're done. DIY Dog. Go and download it. Make yourself Indie Pale Ale, and thanks again to the wonderful punks at BrewDog for doing such a silly thing and releasing all their recipes. I wouldn't buy their beer if it wasn't for that. I probably wouldn't have ever heard of them. Anyway, thanks guys.